Wall elevations are a great way of communicating finishes, locations, dimensions, and relationships of internal features. And SketchUp is a really fast and effective way of communicating your ideas to builders or tradespeople. And so I'm going to demonstrate how that's done for you now. So here I've got my model. It's a bar space, and I want to elevate this rear wall here. So the first thing that I'll do, actually I'll just share my screen fully with you so that you can see more clearly, is I will go into the Tools section plane, create a section. I'm going to call this the Western Wall, or the West Wall elevation, because that's what it is. Zoom out and select the elevation with the select tool, and then move it. You might need to zoom in a little bit, but you don't want any of these columns in the way. So I'll push it forward. There we are, that's about right. Make sure that you deselect, otherwise it'll continue to move. And you can see what we have here is a perspectival section view, which can be useful for showing general relationships, but actually we want a flat view, as is traditional in the construction industry. So I'm going to go up to camera, I'm going to go to standard views. This one's a left view, but you might have to find the best view. And there we have it. And I'm also going to go up to camera again in the menu and select, what am I going to select? I'm going to select parallel projection, so that we're now looking at it straight on. And you can see I've got my wall elevation there, but there's these things in the way, these bits of furniture. So I'm going to zoom in, select those bits of furniture, make sure that they're on the correct layer, so in this case furniture. I'm then going to go to tags or layers and switch the furniture tag off. So there we are. So I've switched it off now, just the little eye there. And then I'm going to go down to scenes now. I'm going to go to add scene, create scene, and it's created, you'll see a new scene 9 here. So I'm going to call this West Wall Elevation, the same as the scene. And it's telling me I've already got it, so I will call it West Wall Elevation 1. Okay. Oops. You have to save it. Press enter once you've done that. Then you can click into it, and that sort of grey overshadow that you saw before will be switched off. And now what we can do is take this into our layout book and start dimensioning and adding more detail, which we'll do next.